Hello and welcome, my name is Max and I love to play Factorio here on Maxium channel. Okay, so where did we left off? We've upgraded the base a little bit. We are unlocking some nice upgrades, including construction robotics. Why can't I talk today? And today, what we're gonna do is to bump up our refinery design. Why? Because this design here, this cannot help us with what we need. And what is it that we need? Oh, it is the green little thing that is called, what is it called? Lubricant. Yeah, we need lubricant in order to get things going. Oh boy, oh my god, I should have brought some with me, I forgot. Let's go get some ingredients. We need to craft us some refineries, we need to craft us some chemical plants, a lot of things. You know what I'm thinking about? I'm thinking about how to deal with the extra stuff that will inevitably, when we refine things, light oil, petroleum. Because to be frank, the only thing we care about at this point is the juicy heavy oil, because that's what we're gonna refine into, turn into the so-called lubricant. But the other things will clog it up for us. So what should we do? How should we handle those things? And here's the catch. Well, let me be a bit selfish and pause this for a bit so we can have a built up. And you know what? What if I also did this? It's nice, right? Yeah, the thing is, if we just went ahead and created the green elixir that is the lubricant, this one, from heavy oil, then what are we going to do with the rest of the things? Light oil and petroleum we cannot turn back into light oil, and light oil we cannot turn back into heavy oil. But then we're going to have a buildup, and then it's going to be nasty, and we do not want that. So a certain amount of petroleum is going to be turned into sulfuric acid. That's okay, that's all right. But what about the rest? What about this one? I was thinking we eventually gonna need some rocket fuel. And while we're at that, let's get that bumped up real quick. This one can wait a little more, not in a rush. And yeah, so what is rocket fuel? It's solid fuel and light oil. So yes, we're gonna keep the light oil as it is, and solid fuel we're gonna make based on petroleum. Problem solved. We've consumed our light oil and our petroleum, and we use this one. And then we can have a large warehouse where we keep a lot of rocket fuel for when we are able to launch stuff into orbit. How does that sound like? Good? Okay. Let's unclog this pipe here. You may go. Okay. Let's go. And I did that because I need 5 more of these. And I think we're good. Red belts. Yeah, I think we have enough. So with that in mind, let's now go and try to design something decent. I mean, look at this. It's beautiful. It's minimal. It's simple, but it's beautiful. And it does the job. And apparently we still have nothing. But we don't care. We can design with ghosts. So let's say we want to do something like that. 10 of these in this formation. How many? 9. Oh, we need one more. We're gonna put it here. Hello? Excuse me. Now, what we need to do is to plug these things in. And how do we do that so we can have everything on this end be taken care of? First of all, we do not care about the length of our pipes anymore. So what we can do is to go grab some more pipes. Unfortunately, I do not think I've produced enough of this. Yep. So, you know, we have enough of that. So let's do this for now. And let's go do this. And I'm sorry, but I need some of this for our friend here. Yeah, this is what's gonna happen. And I think I stored some pipes somewhere. I just need to find it, and I think it was right here. Yeah, that's it. That's the box. That's our stash. Hello, pipes. Oh, look what we have here. Nice. Anything else? Nope. Let's go back. So now we have a lot of pipes, and perhaps we can help our friend here by injecting some inside this. I think we're good for now. Let's just go and build something, shall we? So, exactly the way we did it here. See, let's just copy this. This is gonna go first. The oil, the crude oil, not just any oil. I don't know we have these many types of oil. Crude oil, light oil, heavy oil. Isn't that amazing? And all that comes from dinosaurs, apparently. Yep, let this be the water pipe. And I know these won't work because no robots, but at least now we know what to do and won't make horrible mistakes down the line. Now for the petroleum part, we can just do this and get it out like this, but then we're gonna have a problem with the next one. Yeah, let's just go ahead and do this. Oh no, see what I've done? This is not good. This is not good. So I can either do this. Yeah, I think I should do that. Let's start with this then. Okay, let's move forward. That's why designing is important. Okay, no. Now we need another design for the yellow one. And I think this is gonna be okay. Don't you think? Let's go with this. So what we are planning to do here effectively is to get things out first, and then worry about how we're going to deal with it later. Perhaps we're going to... Oh, these are the last trees we are ever going to chop, right? Perhaps we're going to deal with them somewhere over here. The petroleum and the light oil and everything. And then the heavy oil can be just consumed right here, because that's easy to handle. Something like this. Yeah. How do you like this design? I like it. Simple, effective, beautiful. Good, good, great. And now we can plop these down, right? Let's go. That was the hard part. Now comes the easy part. See? All that planning, and then this happens. But that's okay. That's part of the fun. Let's do batch work. What was that? Lightweight frames. Lightweight frames have something very similar and in common with those green circuits. You know what that is? You can never have enough of them. They are always in high demand and short supply. I think that is very intentional, because it can be a good hiccup in your planning, in your factory planning, if you can design your factory in a way that it can produce a lot of those items. Oh no. No, I said we're probably going to do a main bus, but there are two things. First of all, main bus is a bit boring. Don't you agree? Because you basically put everything on a single giant belt or a series of belts. And then, yeah, of course, it's easier to work with. It is efficient to a degree and everything. But what's the fun in that? It's like you just threw away all the challenges of making a train network, logistics of that, and so on and so forth. And you know what's the worst thing? There are lots of good things about having a bus, but what's the worst thing is that once you have the bus in place, there's not much you can do with what's already in place. You make a commitment where things should come inside the bus, different factories that take items from the bus and then put back in the bus. And it's just like, that's it. It's set in stone. You cannot touch it anymore. But what if, and this is just an idea, what if we have a factory that's based mostly, no, again, based mostly on trains? So we are free to go and explore and exploit and find new resources and just plug them into the train network, and then we can grab whatever we want from the train network. And then can I just yeah, let's do this. Let's do it. Okay. And then we can just take whatever we want from the network, and then we can scale things up. Do you know why? Why can't we scale things up? Because it's easy. Whatever you need, you just create another station exactly like the one before, and that's it. And all you need to do is to make sure you have all the ingredients that the network demands. And that's not difficult to figure out, is it? So let's do this. Okay, we're gonna do it this way. Guess what? Look at this. We're almost done. This one right? That's it. Good. Now, oh, for a second there I thought I have robots. I was so happy. Trees. And now that we have that one, we're gonna take care of the rest, which is gonna be this. I'm gonna put petroleum in this one. And okay, let's go. And I'm gonna put the other one, light oil, in this one. See, you learn to become more efficient with the way you use your character. Done with this one. And of course, shouldn't I have these items already here? Yeah, feels better now. Okay, this is ready. Light oil, petroleum, and heavy oil. Let's just go plug it in. What do we need? Nothing much. Oops, we need something like this. What am I doing? Okay, good. All of them are happy. The only thing they're waiting for is sweet water. And I do not want to use this. I want to use another one. Of course we don't have it. Of course not. Oh, we did have it. Too quick to judge. Yes. Oh, look what's happening. I expect this to be beautifully... Oh, yes. Awesome. And now we have everything we need to kickstart our robotic industries. All right. That's perfect. In the next episode, we're gonna go and get ourselves some lubricant. Go away. And see what we can do from there. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.